Another beautiful day on tile. Another day of investigating hail damage. And this is what the contractor wants to show me. That is not hail damage, that is a manufacturing defect. And he wants to show me these little pock marks. Again, manufacturing defect. Installation. Chatter. Overdrove the nail. Not to mention that happened during the installation process. Nothing up here whatsoever. Yet again, it's starting to get just a little too repetitive over the years. Calling everything hail and wind. They're going to call that wind, but it's just loose because they never fastened it. Every time. Kind of just another pet peeve on tile, and I realize this is more of a newer rule. There wasn't any code on it until about 2010 or so. Tiles in the valley aren't supposed to touch. You're supposed to leave a gap between them for expansion and contraction. And look at this. Every other tile touches. Yeah, there you go, right there. Stress crack. They're rubbing against each other right there. That crack, that's because they're forced against each other like that. This is... You know, if I were to say what's the most common error on tile roofs, I'd say that's probably in the top 3. Especially for these villas. But you have to bear in mind that tile roofing codes weren't really uniform until about 2010. I love tile. So, first guess is this is Monier Villa. The reason why is, looking at this side, the south-facing side, I could believe that's double Roman, but looking over at this side with the stripes, that's definitely Monier. So we're going to look along the valley for a slid down tile. None. Usually the hip's a little easier on either side. Oh, perfect. Got 2 of them here. Well, that was hard. Usually it actually takes some effort. Monier Villa. So it's a discontinued tile. That looks like that's been used for a while too. Have to